How to fix Roblox not launching. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, simply open settings and go to apps and games. Click on apps and features located on left side and you'll find search button at the bottom. Simply search Roblox and then press on uninstall. Simply uninstall the app. After you've uninstalled the app, open Google Chrome and search download Roblox or Roblox install. Click on the first link that pops up, which is the Roblox official page. Click on download Windows app and it will be downloaded. After it's downloaded, simply launch it and you're good to go. This is how to fix Roblox not launching. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.